We just landed at Frankfurt Airport, and these are some of the other airlines that have planes housed here. It's a big freight hub. There's UPS planes and DHL. FedEx is on the other side of the airport. Look at that Condor plane. Looks like a clown. And there's a smaller plane. There's a China Airlines plane. I didn't film it earlier, but I saw Lufthansa 747 still in service that was parked. But anyway, this is one busy airport. It's I guess you could call it the Atlanta of Europe. And we landed on the far other end of it, so now we have to taxi to the terminal where we disembark. And up here is another airplane with Condor Air. Look at the green. Man, you can see that thing a mile away.